Good afternoon, Dr. Gurmeet Singh. Hello, I am Kashvi Jain, team member of Eurasia Research. Today, I will be taking your interview. Welcome to the chat session for Eurasia Research. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you. How is the weather in your city?
It was a extraordinary venue. It was.
Nice. We are really grateful to have you today. Okay, so we will be starting with the questions. Please allow me a moment.
Yeah, thank you. I'm ready.
I would like to introduce to our audience that today we have Gurmeet Singh as an eminent speaker for our chat session interview today. So he is affiliated to General Shivdev Singh, Dewan Gurjan Singh Khalsa College, Patiala, Punjab, India. He presented keynote speech on topic human brain, how it functions and how one can enhance memory. Welcome to the chat session for Eurasia Research. Starting with the chat session now. You have presented this topic, human brain, how it functions, and how one can enhance memory at the conference. Please explain in your nutshell.
My research actually focuses on understanding how the human brain processes information, forms memories, and adapts through learning. It explores the biological mechanisms underlying uh, memory formation and highlights evidence-based strategies to improve cognitive performance. The study emphasizes that memory can be enhanced through healthy lifestyle habits, continuous learning, and cognitive training, all of which support the brain's natural ability to recognize and strengthen normal connections. You are again not audible. I cannot hear you.
Okay, great. How does
Yes,
the
now.
human
Okay.
brain process, store, and retrieve memories?
Actually, the brain processes information by receiving sensory inputs, which are then interpreted and encoded into neural signals. Important information is consolidated into long-term memory through interactions between different brain regions, particularly the hippocampus and the cerebral cortex. During retrieval, the brain reconstructed the stored information by activating the neural networks associated with the original memory. Memory is therefore a dynamic process that depends on attention, repetition, emotional significance, and basically the strength of neural connections.
That's great. My third question is, which lifestyle factors have the greatest impact on memory, such as sleep, nutrition, exercise, and stress management?
Several lifestyle factors play crucial role in maintaining and improving memory. You are very much correct. Sleep. High quality sleep supports memory, consolidation, and learning. Also, the nutrition. A balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, healthy fats, and especially, particularly, omega 3 fatty acids promotes brain health. The third thing is you mentioned physical exercise. Definitely, a regular aerobic exercise improves blood flow to the brain and stimulates the growth of new neural connections. And of course, stress management. Chronic stress can impair memory by affecting brain regions involved in learning. Practices such as meditation, mindfulness, and relaxation techniques help preserve cognitive functions. Mental stimulation as well, reading, solving puzzles, learning new skills, learning new language, and lifelong education strengthen cognitive reserve and memory performances.
That's great. What advice would you give to young researchers who are just starting out in the research world based on your own experience and insights?
My advice is to remain curious, patient, and committed to lifelong learning. Research is a journey that requires persistence, critical thinking, and resilience in the fact of setbacks. Always build your work on sound scientific evidence, collaborate with the researchers from diverse disciplines, and maintain high ethical standards. Most importantly, choose research topics that genuinely inspire you, because passion is one of the strongest drivers of meaningful scientific contributions.
That's great. My last question is your positive feedback about our conference.
It was a privilege to participate in the conference. The event was exceptionally well organized and provided an excellent platform for researchers, academicians, and professionals to exchange ideas and present innovative work. The quality of the presentations, engaged discussions, and opportunities for networking created a highly enriching academic environment. I sincerely appreciate the organizers for their dedication and hospitality, and definitely I look forward to participating in future editions of this conference.
Okay, so thank you so much for sharing your experience with us. Thank you for attending this TED session. We are honored to have you, and it will be great to see you at our future conferences as well.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
You too.